Hey guys, it's me Rujul and welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another food vlog. Today we have come for a family lunch to a very authentic Odia restaurant which is called Ghanta, as you can see behind me. So this is near the Care Hospital in Lumbini Vihar, and here you'll get to see very authentic food, Odia food like thalis. There's even biryani, and mostly there's Odia food, and it's famous for its Odia cuisine. There is so much crowd inside, and I think to eat I have to tie my hair up. So yeah, let me show you the crowd inside.
So these are the scenes of a late Sunday afternoon. It was so crowded, and we literally had to wait for like almost 20 minutes. And these are some of the special dishes of that day. They even had a corner where Manoj Das's books were kept. He's a very famous writer in Odia industry. After a long wait for like 20 minutes, we finally got our food. This is the mutton thali, and it had mutton, rice, pampad, ghanta, dal, a fish curry, and salad. It also had karela and aloo chips, and it was overall really good. This is my thali, and these are the prawns. I had opted for a prawn thali, and the prawns were like so good. It was like my favorite thing on the entire thali. My expressions do not give justice at all to how indulgent and how delicious the prawns were. They were just so good. I was so hungry to even express myself at that moment, but curry especially was so rich and so yummy. The muttons were even really good. The quality of muttons were very nice. They were cooked very properly, and they even had like a sufficient amount of quantity. So yeah, overall it was a very fine experience.
Okay guys, so we are done with our food, and overall I think what I had was a prawn thali, which had
I had mutton thali.
and which had my thali had prawns, khanta, which is their speciality here. The name, as the name suggests, it had dal, it had rice, pampad, cucumber salad, and a karela and aloo chips, and everything. For me, I think it was amazing.
Also, there was those small fish, right?
Yeah,
Fish
a small
sardine.
fish, just a single fish. I didn't had that, but then that's called sukhua in Odia. It's dead fish, right?
No, it was not. It was small fish. We call it maurali macho, but it's sardines.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, so yeah, my prawns, they were really amazing. I don't know. I might be hungry, which makes me say that, but my
So
food
overall, I
was
thought the
amazing.
food quality was good actually.
Yeah.
Like we have tried in a lot of times in Odisha hotel, and if I have to compare, maybe I like it better. Even the mutton quality was really good. The prices are reasonable. Mutton thali was I think 360. So yeah, reasonable
And the
price.
prawn thali was 310.
300. Yeah, 310.
Oh, 300. Okay. So yeah, you can definitely visit this place. One thing is there that the waiting time was too long because it's like a Sunday daytime. So yeah, there was too much wait for us. But overall, the food quality, the prices, it's amazing. If you really want to try some authentic Odia food and you don't get any other recommendations other than the Odisha hotel, then you should definitely check out this place. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.
Bye.